Hello students, in this video we are going to solve exercise 2.6. Question number 1 is round off the following numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. Number A, we are going to round off the numbers to nearest tens. There are 5 numbers. The first one is 39. So while rounding off, if we are rounding off to nearest tens, we have to look at the digit in ones place. If this digit is 5 or greater than 5, we have to add 1 to the digit in the tens place and rest of the digits will become 0. Since here 39, 9 is greater than 5, so we are going to add 1 to this 3. So this number after rounding off, it will become 40. Similarly, 55 after rounding off will become 60 because in the ones place we have 5. If we have any number which is 5 or greater than 5, we have to add 1 to the tens digit. So this becomes 60. Similarly, 48 will become 50 because 8 is given in the ones place. It is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to this 4. But the next number is 64. In the ones place we have 4. 4 is less than 5. So whenever there is a number which is less than 5 in the ones place, no need to add anything in the tens place. We will simply write this number as it is. 6 will come here in the tens place and the ones place will become 0. So 64 after rounding off becomes 60. Similarly, 13 after rounding off will become 10. In number B, we are going to round off the numbers to nearest hundreds. Again, there are 5 numbers. So while rounding off to nearest hundreds, we have to look at the digit in the tens place. We will follow the same procedure like we did while rounding off to the nearest tens. We are going to follow the same process. So the first number is 872. In the tens place we have 7. 7 is greater than 5. So we are going to add 1 to the hundreds place. So this 8 will become 9 and rest of the digits will become 0. So 872 while rounded off, if it is rounded off to nearest hundreds, it becomes 900. 104, in the tens place we have 0. So if we have 0 here, that means no need to add anything. So it will become 100. 104 after rounding off becomes 100. In 211, in the tens place we have 1. So again this is less than 5. So on rounding off we will get 200. 394, here we have 9 in the tens place. So after rounding off we will get 400. And 822 has 2 in the tens place. So after rounding off we will get 800. Number C, round off to the nearest thousands. There are 5 numbers. We are going to round them off to nearest thousands. While rounding off to nearest thousands, we have to look at the digit in the hundreds place. If the digit in the hundreds place is 5 or greater than 5, we are going to add 1 to the digit in the thousands place and rest of the digit will become 0. So the first number is 9772. In the hundreds place we have 7. Since 7 is greater than 5, we are going to add 1 to the thousands place. That means 9 plus 1 will become 10. And hundreds, tens and ones place will become 0. These digits will have 0. Similarly, in the second one, 7625. In the hundreds place we have 6. 6 is greater than 5. So 7 will become 8. And after rounding off, we will get 8000. Next, we have 3181. So there is 1 in the hundreds place. 1 is less than 5. So no need to add anything. This will become 3000. Then we have 1486. We have 4 in the hundreds place. 4 is less than 5. So on rounding off, we get 1000. And the last one is 6101. Here in the hundreds place we have 1. 1 is less than 5. So we will get 6000 after rounding off.